The Kesmac 6000 TS is a high-performance automatic slab sod harvester featuring a Caterpillar C3.6 FTAD engine delivering 134 horsepower. It boasts a hydrostatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a full floating cutter head, but with adjustable cutting width and thickness. The 6000 TS efficiently conveys harvested sod onto 48x48 pallets in either pyramid or flat top configurations with an upper-level squeeze function. For optimized stacking, equipped with a deluxe cab and adjustable suspension seat, this machine ensures operator comfort and productivity. The Kesmac 6000 TS is equipped with Brouwer telematics, enabling remote diagnostics, updates, adjustments, and monitoring through GPS communication. The ROPASittelsdorf 2 is a high-performance potato harvester designed for efficiency and gentle handling of potatoes. This trailed machine boasts a two-row configuration, a bunker capacity of approximately 8 tons, and measures 11.8 meters long, 4 meters high, and 3.3 meters wide. Its fully hydraulic drive system allows for independent adjustment of cleaning units, reducing vibration and noise while optimizing fuel efficiency. Key features include adjustable cleaning units, continuous pressure monitoring, articulated shafts, and a soft start mechanism. The Keeler 2 is known for its gentle handling of potatoes, minimizing damage, and its robust design ensures durability. The Kverneland Group 1030 is a cultivator-mounted seed drill with a 3-meter working width and a 1,000-liter hopper capacity, designed for precise and efficient seeding operations. It utilizes CXI coulters with optional press wheels to ensure accurate seed placement and consistent depth control. The electrically driven metering system provides reliable seed distribution, while adjustable row spacing of 25 centimeters allows for optimal seed placement in various farming systems. Group 1030 is built with durable components and offers a user-friendly interface, making it a robust and easy-to-operate solution for a range of crops, including cereals, oilseeds, and legumes. This seed drill contributes to improved crop establishment. The PELLENC Optimum L20 is a self-propelled grape harvester equipped with a 175 HP engine and hydrostatic transmission for efficient operation. Designed for gentle handling, it features innovative harvesting technology to minimize berry damage and optimize grape quality, with a working width of 3.4 meters and a harvesting capacity of up to 10 hectares per day. The Optimum L20 prioritizes operator comfort with a spacious cab and ergonomic controls. Its versatility allows adaptation to various vineyard conditions and grape varieties, making it a sought-after solution for high-quality and efficient grape harvesting. This high-performance harvester contributes to increased productivity and improved profitability. The KUHNGroup 2 is a mounted sprayer designed for precise and efficient crop protection, available with tank capacities ranging from 1,000 to 1,500 liters and boom widths from 14 to 24 meters. It features the trapezius suspension system for optimal ground following and accurate spray distribution. Equipped with a piston diaphragm pump and a quadruple filtration system, the Delta 2 ensures reliable performance and clean spraying. Its robust construction, user-friendly interface, and versatile configurations make it a popular choice for farmers seeking a high-quality and efficient spraying solution. The Delta 2 contributes to improved crop health and yield by ensuring even and timely application. The Strautmann TS160 is a flatbed spreader designed for efficient and precise spreading of various materials like manure and compost. It boasts a 16 cubic meter capacity, a robust construction, and a low center of gravity for stability. The TS160 utilizes 2 upright spreaders with a diameter of 880 millimeter to ensure even distribution, with a gross vehicle weight rating of 14,000 kg and a power requirement of 120 horsepower. This spreader is built for demanding agricultural tasks. The TS160 is built for durability and efficiency, featuring large tires for reduced rolling resistance and a robust chassis. Its low loading height. The Case IHLB 436 is a large square baler designed for high-volume baling operations, requiring at 250 horsepower and producing bales up to 500 kg. In weight, it features 29 knives for precise crop cutting and a double knotter system for secure bale formation. Equipped with advanced technology like the AFS Pro 700 baler monitor and isobus compatibility, the LB 436 offers high productivity and ease of operation. The LB436 boasts adjustable bale lengths, from 1.0 m to 3.0 m to suit various crop types and storage needs. Its robust construction and high-capacity design. The GRIMME EVO 260 is a high-performance two-row potato harvester designed for efficient and gentle handling of the crop with a harvesting capacity of up to 10 hectares per hour and a 6,000 kg bunker capacity. It ensures high productivity. The EVO 260 features multiple separators, including a diviner web, for effective removal of soil and stones, minimizing damage to the potatoes. This harvester is equipped with advanced technology, like automatic depth control and GPS guidance, providing precise operation and optimizing yields. The EVO 260 prioritizes operator comfort with an ergonomic design